How to get Snapchat on PC. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I will show you how to get Snapchat on your computer or laptop. So let's get started. Now, we know that Snapchat is an amazing social media and we use it all the time. But let's say that you want to actually get Snapchat on your laptop or your PC. So it's really easy to do. What you guys need to do is simply go to snapchat.com. Now you'll get right here. First of all, you can download Snapchat. So go to this download button right here and it will allow you to actually download on your computer. So you can see right here, download has the option of App Store and Google Play Store. So if you have a Google account, you can actually download Snapchat. But this is like, a way to download, but we can actually log into our Snapchat on our PC. So simply go to Snapchat slash login and it will directly take you to your login link. Now enter your username and email, of course, for your Snapchat and password and click on login and you will be able to simply log into Snapchat on your PC or your computer. So I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification and subscribe to the YouTube channel.